Okay, so I'm starting out with this Rimmel Stay Matte All Day powder, gently swiping that over my brows. This will help control my oils and help the pencil and the pomade stick to the skin. Now I'm using the Brow Wiz Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil in the color dark brown. Take the spoolie, brush your hairs upwards, and begin to outline the bottom half of your eyebrow, and follow the same step and outline the top half of your eyebrow. Now in this step you want to use small hair-like strokes and just fill in the brow bald spots or sparse hairs, and take your time, fill in and brush the product through. Towards the front you're just going to flick upwards with hair-like strokes. This just helps the brow to look more natural in the front. And just continue to shape and brush through. And once you get your desired shape, you're going to take this concealer brush. This is by BH Cosmetics and my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Dip the brush in there lightly, and this is where you want to take your time. This is where we're going to clean up any mistakes that we've made, and we're also shaping the brow at this point. So if you have too much product, you can always just flick down and take your time and just shape the brow to your desire. And you're just going to follow the same steps at the top, flick the product upwards, downwards, and blend it out with a blending brush well. And that's the brow pencil. Now we're going in with the Pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills, dark brown. This is her brow pencil, her brow brush in the number 14. I'm taking the angle part of the brush, I dipped it in there lightly, and I'm outlining the bottom half of my brow. And you can see on this brow that I have a lot of bald spots, and it's very thin on that side. So I'm going to go in heavier on the tail end of the brow and make sure I get that filled in very well to match the other brow. And just, lightly take your time, dip and fill, brush the product through. It helps it look more natural, and use a lot less product going towards the front of the brow. And remember to flick that brush up with small hair-like strokes and just brush that product through. Once you get your desired shape, you're just going to go in and repeat the same step and clean up that brow, shape it towards the bottom. You want to get it as close as you can to the other brow. Remember, brows are sisters and not twins, so you'll never get the same identical shape. So just shape your brow to your desire and blend that out with a blender brush. And now we're going in with the ABH Clear Brow Gel, and we're just going to set the brows. And this will help your brows to not move all day. And this is the final results, the pomade versus pencil. I hope you like this tutorial. Give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.